you what you can make with just a few magnets. The first thing is we have a block of magnets. You need a credit card for this. That's all you need. Here. But first, we're not going to use all of our materials, right? So we're going to stick off right here. Two. Then use a credit card to cut these magnets in half. Here. Now we have more materials. So here we're going to continue chopping. There. Now we're going to stick this piece of block onto. There. Now we're going to make another block on it. So here we have our magnets. Now pull. Oops. Stick them together. Then stick them right here. Perfect, right? Then we're going to cut this piece off. Then we're going to cut this off. So now we have this part left. And actually looks like a bracelet. Here. See? Cut this piece off and stick it right on here. Perfect. Now we're going to stick this square piece onto. Stick it together. And then fold it right. So now we're going to stick another piece of color onto here. Okay, use a credit card to cut. Now we have made a building. Here is our building. So let me show you how to make a bracelet. So first, we just have to crush the building. Next, pull. Is to make a huge, humongous knot and wrap it around your hand here. So it may take a little bit of time, but I'll tell you, it's worth it. So we'll keep on wrapping it like this. Get more magnets. Take it off, then keep on rolling. There. See? It's making a trail of magnets. So let's make it extremely long. Around this long. Then we're going to stick it on. Keep on rolling. There. Now you see it's starting to take place. And click is in a bracelet. Now you realize we still have a lot of magnets. So let's fill on. There. Now we just have to start rolling, rolling, and rolling. Here is the product which I finished. Look at this. So here is a small kind of magnet ball chains, also called a pillar. There, now we are finished, and here is our golden pillar. Here is the grand abstain block. You can cut perfectly. Very nice, eh? Turn it over. Very big square. This is very nice. Before we go, you can put your questions in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time.